Welcome back to our name response module. In this video, we'll address a common challenge, managing short attention spans during name recognition activities. We'll explore how to keep these sessions brief, engaging, and fun to ensure your child stays focused. When working with children who have short attention spans, it's important to keep sessions brief, just a few minutes at a time. The key is to keep things fun and engaging.
You want peekaboo? You want peekaboo?
To hold your child's attention, use varied tones and animated facial expressions. This keeps the activity exciting and helps maintain their focus on you.
You want. Good job. You want. Very nice.
Incorporating short play breaks can help reset your child's focus. After calling their name, take a quick break to play or engage in a simple activity, then return to name practice.
You want. Wow, let's play pom pom. Pop. Pop. Pop.
Make the activity interactive. For example, ask your child to bring you a toy or engage them in a simple back and forth game. This keeps them engaged while you work on name recognition.
You want? You want? Please get a ball. Go get a ball. Ball. Thank you.
If your child loses focus, it's okay to take a break. Allow them a few minutes of free play before gently returning to the activity. Keeping it low pressure helps maintain their interest in the long run.
You want? Oh, okay. Below. Good job.
No matter how small the response, always provide positive reinforcement. Praise them with a smile, high five, or hug for staying focused, even if only for a few seconds.
You want? Oh, good job. You want? You want? Very good.
Remember, keeping the activity brief, fun, and interactive is key to holding your child's attention. Celebrate small moments of success and enjoy the process of learning together. Keep it fun, keep it short.